Okay, y'all, I'm at the grocery store. I just want to know, why do they make all these brands so hard to find today? Like when I say I flipped it, I turned it, I did all this extra stuff. I should not have to do all that just to find a date, and I still haven't found the date. I mean, this happened with like everything, and there we go, finally. Look at that little small print. Like Will's Waldo. If you see it, let me know below, because I see it finally. And if y'all feel the same way, let me know. This could be my first time. Okay, I'm showing it to you, so show me. This could be my first time trying this brand, but unfortunately, they are out of my Tennessee Pride. So, have anybody tried this? Comment below. It's saying all natural, and it comes in a bunch of different ones. So sometimes when things is not there, it's cool to try something else. I'm really thinking about that one right there because it looks similar to Tennessee Pride, but we're gonna try this because sometimes when you get that cheap, even when you get the expensive sausage, it had that gristle. Comment below. Do y'all know what I mean? Had a taste for some Domino's. They got this new cheesy bread that's out that was stuffed with pepperoni. I'm not really a pepperoni person, but I see the reviews on the cheese, because you know Domino's hit and miss. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and try to make it myself. So I'm getting everything, y'all, but I'm adding sausage to it, and I'm also gonna add some green peppers. So stay tuned to the end results to my try to make Domino's cheesy bread pepperoni. But again, I'm gonna add my own extras. So I don't cut up my veggies. They already got them cut up. So we'll be adding this because my hubby love vegetables. Because me, I'm a meat person for the pizza, for the cheesy bread, but we're gonna add some veggies. Now, I've never tried a tart before, but I got me and Bae a tart. We'll see how it tastes. Most of the stuff in the bakery section is good. So we'll see. If you know what a tart tastes like, comment below. I'm hoping it's sweet and not just bitter. Okay, guys, I never, ever get generic brands, but lately I've been trying them and they've been good. You'll be amazed at how much money you will save. So we're gonna try this. This is on sale for $128 versus my usual one is like $4. So let's see. I'm gonna get two of them. I'm so upset. I guess that's what I get for waiting late. When I say, guys, they got an Ingles brand that is sold to die for, the breadsticks, and let me show ya. It's gone. Any other time when I need it, it's always there, but now it's gone. So now I gotta pick another brand that I don't know nothing about. And you know, mine's like cheese sticks, breadsticks are not the same on different brands. So I'm gonna have to just pick some random brand. I am so upset, but I'll make it work. I guess I'm gonna get this New York 3-cheese breadstick. Let's try it with that. But again, like I said, if you can go to Ingles and get the regular Lorraine cheese bread, when I say it is so freaking good, but we gonna use this. I don't even know what it tastes like, and I bet you y'all, look, we finna look for a date. Like I told you y'all, it's always hard to look. You can never find freaking dates. You gotta play Where's Waldo for the date. Okay, so there we go. I got it. Okay, well, let's see what these taste like, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I got all my stuff. I am upset. I had to change 2 different brands that I usually get, so we'll see how it tastes. All right. I am cooking the hamburger meat, and I'm cooking the um, green pepper and stuff mix. Go ahead and get that all cooked up and nicely cooked. Put in your breadsticks. Follow the directions on the back of the breadstick container, and we'll go from there. Take the breadsticks off and just lay them accordingly. Okay, guys, I'm about to put this in the oven. Read the back of your breadsticks to see how long you cook them for. I'm not going to cook them for the whole amount of time because I don't want them to be all crunchy or nothing. So say, for instance, if it's, say, 5 to 6 minutes or however long it takes, give it a little bit less, but make sure it's not doughy because we still got to put the cheese on top and all the things in the oven, okay? Okay, so I see the meat is turning brown. Now I'm going to go ahead and just mix everything together and turn it on the opposite side. Now cook the other side and get it all nice and brown too. But don't overcook it, y'all. Make sure you put it on like medium to low. Medium to high. Don't put it on high because you want some nice juicy sausage. Like I said, this is not completely done. I'm going to go ahead and get the sausage and all that good stuff. Pepperoni, warm it up in the microwave for about 30 seconds on a paper towel so it won't be so greasy, because that's why I hate pepperoni, because it's always greasy. I'm gonna go ahead and get the pizza sauce on there and add the cheese. All right, cooking nicely, and the peppers. Go ahead and put your pepperoni on this paper towel so it can absorb the grease, and cook it for 30 seconds in the microwave. Put in the microwave. And I also have them on a microwave safe container too, like a plate, because I don't want the grease to be all over the place. So make sure you do that too. Do the paper towel again for 30 seconds. Go ahead and let the meat cool for a little bit, and then we'll start putting everything on top of the breadsticks. The update, this sausage is really good. It's not super salty. It don't have a bunch of gristle in it. So sometimes it's always good to try something that you never tried, especially like when your products are gone. Just want to tell you that real quick. I'm really not a pepperoni person. I just seen, like I said, Domino's had it. So we'll use this we'll use these. But you see how when you cook them, they won't be so greasy on the pizza. That's why pepperoni get on my nerves, because it be so greasy on the pizza. But doing what I just told you, putting on a paper towel, make it so much better. So let's go ahead and get everything added. Put your oven back on 350 and let this cook for maybe about a good 6-7 minutes, because everything is already cooked. So just till the cheese melt. 2 pieces of sauces, because I kind of like my sauce. I like my pizza a little saucy. You don't got to get 2. And another thing, y'all, I just want to tell you, I love sausage on my pizza. That's like my favorite. So I'm going to just pour this right over here. Just pour a little bit on your breadsticks in the pan. And I'm going to kind of take something, a spatula, to soak it all in. Just use a spoon and just put it all over the breadsticks, all the sauce, all over the breadsticks, and there should be some inside of the actual baking sheet too. And guys, I just tried this pizza sauce. It was good too. So I'm telling you, sometimes try the actual generic brand. Sometimes. Not everything can be replaced with generic, but some things can. Okay, so we got the sauce all on it. Now I'm about to put the sausage, crumble the sausage and the peppers on it. Then I'm gonna put the pepperoni. Then I'm gonna put the cheese, and then a little bit more sauce. And see, guys, I'm just breaking up the sausage, just putting it right on top, and then I'll start putting the green peppers and stuff too. If your person don't like green peppers, you can just do half. I'm really not a green pepper person, but I'm just gonna just add it on there, and I'll just take it off if I have to. So just kind of set this up like you would a pizza. Okay, guys, so I got all the sausage on it. Just kind of dab it with the spoon, just to get it nice and flat. And now I'm finna add only pepperoni to some of it, because like I told you guys, we're really not a pepperoni person, but I'm just gonna just add some just to say we have pepperoni. Well, my husband likes pepperoni, so I'm not going to say that. You know, sometimes when you say you don't like it, you act like everybody in the house don't like it. Okay, guys, so I put the pepperoni in, and I would be honest with you, instead of 30 seconds, put it on about 15 seconds. That would work perfect. I said a little bit too long for the actual pepperoni. So now I'm about to add the cheese. Okay, guys, so now I drizzle just a little bit of pizza sauce on there. I'm about to put the cheese on. I'm about to put it in the oven for about a good 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. Just check it and see when the cheese is done. Put some aluminum foil over it also. And this is the cheese I'm using. And thank God, it was actually on sale for $1.98 at the grocery store. That's maybe second time I've seen it on sale. It's never on sale. So I was excited about that. And it's mozzarella. Okay, guys, I'm putting the cheese on. Again, place it just like you would a pizza. Okay, guys, I'm about to put the oven on 350. I'm about to place some aluminum foil on top of this. And like I said, just cook it till the cheese get done, because the good thing about it, everything else is done, and that'll make the breadsticks get more done, because like I told you, cook the breadsticks done, but not too done, because you don't want them to be all dry and stuff earlier when you made it. Everything is pre-made, okay? For the oven. And now what you're going to do is go ahead and get everything cleaned up, because remember, guys, we clean up as we go. By the time it's time to get this out, you have everything all nice and clean. Clean up as you go. Don't wait till the last minute to clean up everything. Okay, guys, it is done. I'm going to go ahead and cut it. And I'm telling you guys, you'll like it. Try it and let me know below how you like it. Okay? Be blessed, guys. Bye. Go ahead and cut it also. And I can truly say this look better than Domino's. What you think?